Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the Central University's Common Entrance Test for undergraduation as well as the post-graduation 2021, which is going to be conducted by the National Testing Agency under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So here the total 12 central universities are participating in this one. So all the interested candidates, okay, or else whoever the candidates are waiting for this CUCET program, so which is going to be announced soon by the National Testing Agency. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for this notification. Okay, so it will be helpful to them. And to get the more notifications or the updates like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this announcement. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is Central University's Common Entrance Test CUCET 2021. So from the, it is official website guys by the National Testing Agency. So, and I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. Okay, and here the available soon, that means this notification you will be getting available soon, they mentioned. Fine. So until getting the notification we have to wait for this one guys. But here already what are the different universities are participating in this one, and all the universities names as well as official websites also given here. So the National Testing Agency has been assigned the task of conducting the CUCET for both undergraduate, integrated and the postgraduate programs for 2021 for the 12 participating central universities. And the CUCET for admission to different programs of participating central universities will provide a single window opportunity to the students to seek admission in these participating universities or the institutes across the country. So whoever the candidates looking for the UG or PG admissions in the central universities, only one entrance test, and you can get the you can apply for these 12 central universities based upon your marks. Okay, and coming to the list of the 12 participating central universities, here you may check down. So Assam University from Silchar, Central University of Andhra Pradesh, and Central University of Gujarat and Haryana and Jammu, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Punjab, Rajasthan, South Bihar and Tamil Nadu. So your friends or colleagues whoever looking for this admissions, okay, PG programs admissions or else a UG program admissions in the central universities, okay, so please send this, or please share this video to them. Okay, why? Because soon we are going to get the notifications regarding this one, and the National Testing Agency already started conducting the examinations. As you already know that UGC NET notification also released by the NTA, that examination is going to be conducted from October 6th onwards. Okay, so here the official websites also given here. So for example, if you want to check what are the different UG and PG programs are available in the Assam University, so click on that link provided there. Okay, and then you will be directed to the official website of this Assam University. And in this official website, you may check down what are the different what we call programs. Okay, what are the different programs are running here. Okay, either it might be the undergraduate programs or else it might be the postgraduate programs. Okay, you can check down, and whatever the nearest or the interested university is there. So you can write the examination for all this, one examination for all these 12 universities, and later in the counseling you can opt any one of the university based upon your scores. Okay, and before applying the CUCET 2021, candidates are advised to check the eligibility criteria required by a particular participating university for a desired program, and the details of programs, eligibility criteria, program structure, etc. are available on the respective website of the participating university. That means the eligibility criteria, what are the different programs, okay, all these things you have to check in the official website itself. Okay, after checking in the official website, then you can start applying once the NTA releases the official notification. So, and next, Admissions are handled at the level of each of the participating central universities for the respective programs, and after the declaration of CUCET 2021 result by NTA, the respective central universities will declare the counseling or admission schedule and merit list based upon the weightage on the CUCET 2021 score and other criteria of the respective central university. There will be online or offline admission counseling for participating the admissions of these central universities. Fine. So it is the details that I want to provide you guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and to get the more notifications of the videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows from the Unacademy side. If you are interested, you may listen guys, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay, so the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.